Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brinstonoff, Certified Master Mechanic out of Reading, Pennsylvania, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about how to troubleshoot an electronic ignition system. Troubleshooting electronic ignition systems is a little difficult for your average do-it-yourselfer. These systems have become so intricate and complicated over the last couple of years that just your average tools alone, you're just not going to be able to do it. Now, back in the 80s, early 90s, diagnosing these systems was fairly easy. All you needed was a test light and a multimeter, and you can get it done that way. These new systems, you need $1,000 piece of diagnostic equipment and very detailed instructions on how to diagnose them, because if you end up getting in there with a test light or a multimeter and touching the wrong terminals, you end up frying the computers and whatnot. The easiest thing I tell you with diagnosing an electronic ignition system is, one, you need to find out basically wires. A lot of the newer systems don't have cap and rotor, so you get away from that. But if your regular maintenance is taken care of, the best thing I can recommend to you is take it to your local garage and have them take a look at it, scan it, make sure there's no codes or anything in it. Outside of that, that's your best bet. Trying to do this in your backyard is going to be very difficult, and you're going to end up replacing parts. It's going to cost you a lot more money than you would have needed if you just taken to the garage and have them take a look at it for you. And that's how you diagnose an electronic ignition system.